Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the photos you want to use and understanding why format matters. Portrait crops fill the screen. Once you've saved 320 images to your device, open TikTok, tap the plus icon, then upload and choose photos. Make sure to toggle album for quick selection and use the select button to mark multiple files. By doing this first step now, you avoid back and forth editing. It sets up smooth timing and consistent aspect ratios for the rest of the process. Once you've imported photos, reorder them by dragging to control narrative flow because sequencing tells the story. You can tap Edit to set duration per photo, use 0, 5 to 5, 0 seconds depending on pace, and apply transitions between images for motion continuity. Make sure to add music from TikTok's library and sync beats. Tap Adjust Clips or Auto Sync to align cuts. Finally, use stickers or a brief voiceover to highlight details. These extras increase engagement and clarify why each photo. To finish, preview the full photo video and make sure pacing, audio, and cover image represent your content. This is why the cover matters for clicks. Once satisfied, write a concise caption, add targeted hashtags, choose privacy, and tap Post or Save Draft. If something goes wrong, uploads freeze or quality drops, clear TikTok cache, restart the app, or resave problem images as JPEG or PNG at reasonable resolution. Doing that usually resolves corruption or upload timeout issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.